The agency owners that I know that consistently sign clients aren't the loudest or the pushiest. They built something simple that keeps showing up in front of the right people, the same way the water does. See where I'm standing right now? A few hours ago, this entire place was completely underwater. Where I'm standing was ocean floor, and the water didn't fight to leave, it just left. In a few hours, it's going to come back in the exact same way. No drama. This is the Bay of Fundy. Has the highest tides on Earth. More water moves through here twice a day than every river on Earth combined. But notice what the water isn't doing. It isn't chasing the shore, it isn't begging, it just shows up twice a day, every day. And that's exactly how I want you to think about getting your first or next client. Now look, I haven't always done it this way. About 8 years into running my first agency, I remember one Monday specifically. 8 a.m. at my desk with a coffee that had already gone cold, looking through a spreadsheet of like 200 cold leads that I'd bought the week before. I sent the first cold email at 8:04, and by 11:30 a.m., I'd sent 47, which is a very professional way of saying that I was bothering strangers before I'd even had lunch. Not exactly the freedom business that I'd pictured. By the end of the day, I had 2 replies. Both said no, one of them said it in a really creative way, and I just sat there like 6 p.m. staring at my inbox thinking, this can't be the actual job. Since then, I've built 3 different 7-figure agencies, worked with over 1,500 small businesses, run thousands of campaigns, and today I do it all as a one-person agency with 0 employees. So I've had a long time to figure out what burns you out and what actually works. The chase, that's what burns you out. And the agency owners who skip the chase, well, they do one specific thing very differently. They don't try to convince a local business to hire them as a marketing agency. Instead, they show up with one specific thing already built, something the business owner can see and touch and understand inside of 5 minutes, something that solves a problem that the business owner already knows they have. And that's what we're going to build in this video. The 4-part system you install for a local business. The thing you sell, the thing you set up, the thing that makes you the obvious choice instead of any other agency out there just cold emailing them. None of these 4 parts are complicated. You can have all 4 set up for your first client by the end of the weekend, even if you have 0 clients right now, and even if you're still working a full-time job. But before I show you the 4 parts, we need to talk about what most agency advice gets wrong. So here's what every other agency guru is going to tell you. You should send messages to strangers, hundreds of them. You should slide into their DMs and buy a list and plug it into some random tool and just keep showing up in a business owner's inbox until they either reply or block you. And maybe that works for some people. I'm not going to tell you it doesn't, but I've watched dozens of agency owners, actual people I know, burn out doing it that way. 6 months in, they're tired, they're frustrated, and they're quietly wondering if they made a huge mistake. Because the chase doesn't just cost you time, it also costs you the upper hand in the conversation. This is because when you're the one chasing, you've already lost the leverage. You become a vendor, a salesperson, a pushy email, someone that they're trying to avoid. Let's be honest about something. Maybe you've started, maybe you've sent a few and watched nothing happen, or maybe you've been putting this off for weeks because the whole thing just feels kind of off, and you're not sure why. Either way, that doubt feels the same. You start to wonder if your subject line is wrong. You wonder if you should try picking a different type of business to go after. And you wonder if maybe everyone else has figured something out that you just haven't. But none of that is the actual problem. The actual problem is what you're walking in with. When all you have to offer someone is marketing help, you're competing with every single other agency out there that also offers marketing help. The business owner doesn't know what to compare you against, so they ignore all of you. But when you walk in with a specific system that's already built, something that they can see working in like 2 minutes, you're not competing with anyone. You are the only person that's having that conversation in their inbox. That's how you stop chasing. You don't just get better at chasing. Instead, you bring something so specific that you don't even need to chase at all. Now, here's where most people get this wrong. They hear about a system that you install for a local business, and they immediately picture a giant automation machine. Talking about AI agents and drip sequences and sales funnels and 6 different tools wired together, and suddenly your simple agency looks like mission control. They spend 3 weeks trying to build it, and they never sell a single thing. So this is not that. I call this system the quiet close, and it's not some giant automation machine. It's just 4 simple parts that work together for one local business. You set them up once, they run quietly in the background for that business while you go land your next client, just like the tide does, quietly, twice a day, whether anyone is paying attention or not. So that's what we're building. Well, let me walk you through each part now, starting with part 1, build the shoreline. Before any tide can roll in, there has to be a shore, something for the water to actually reach. For your client, the local business that you're installing this for, the shoreline is the basic stuff that their customers see when they look them up. These are things like their Google profile, their reviews, a clean website, a phone number that actually picks up and answers the phone. None of this stuff is fancy. None of it requires you to become a marketing genius. It just has to exist, and ideally be cleaner than the average local business in their city, which honestly isn't a high bar. Sometimes that bar is just a website that loads and a phone number that works. Most agencies skip this step when they install systems for clients because it feels like setup work, not real work. They want to go straight to ads, but you can't catch the tide if there's no shore. The one piece of the shoreline that does most of the work here is reviews. If your client has even 10 real Google reviews and a phone number that picks up, they're already ahead of like 70% of the businesses in their city. And that's not me guessing, that's me having looked. And the great news for you here is this. Fixing the shoreline for a client is the easiest part of the install. You are not doing complicated work here. You're just doing the work that the business owner has been meaning to get to for 2 years now. Okay, let's keep going. Part 2, catch the first wave. When a customer first reaches out to your client's business, whether they do it through a phone call, filling out a form, sending a message, well, there's a window, a very short window, and what happens in that window determines pretty much everything. According to Velocify, who tracked over 1 million inbound leads across thousands of businesses, when a business responds to a new inquiry within 1 minute, conversions go up by 391%. Within 5 minutes, they're still doing great. But by 30 minutes, most of those leads are already talking to a competitor. For your client, this is huge. Plumbers, dentists, contractors, lawyers, when their customers reach out to them, that customer isn't waiting around. The first business to answer wins. Crazy idea, I know. But here's the kicker. Most local businesses miss somewhere between 30 and 60% of their inbound phone calls. They're driving, they're with another customer, it's after hours, so the phone just rings out. And that customer just moves on to the next competitor down the list. That's where HighLevel comes in. Quick context if you haven't heard of it, HighLevel is the platform that agencies use to install and run client systems like this exact one that we're building in this video. One login, everything in one place, and the first part of the quiet close lives inside of it. An AI receptionist that you install for your client. This AI receptionist picks up their missed calls and unanswered messages instantly. It answers the customer like a real receptionist would, it collects their name, their problem, and what they need, then it texts the business owner with a full lead and asks the customer to book a time on their calendar if that's how you have it set up. The customer in this case gets captured and feels heard inside of like 10 seconds. The business owner gets a clean lead instead of a missed call, and nobody had to chase anyone. And from your side, the agency side, this is the part of the install that makes the owner go quiet. You show them their missed call log from the last month, you show them what the AI receptionist would have done with each one, and the math sells itself before you ever talk about pricing. Okay, part 3, set the rhythm. Here's the thing about leads, meaning the customers who reach out to the business that you're working with. Most of them don't say yes the first time that they reach out. That's not them rejecting the business, that's just how buying decisions work. People take their time, and the more expensive the offer, typically the longer they're going to take. For higher priced items, the average buyer takes between 5 and 8 touches before they're ready to actually commit to a service. Think about that, 5 to 8, which means if your client talks to a lead once, they don't buy, and nobody follows up, they didn't lose that lead because the lead wasn't interested. They lost that lead because the rhythm stopped. The tide doesn't stop after just one wave. It keeps coming, twice a day, every day. That's what makes this the second HighLevel piece that you install. See, inside HighLevel, you can build automated email and text sequences that send themselves on a schedule. Day 1, day 3, day 7, day 14. Each message hits a different angle from the last one, with a different feel. Your client's lead gets a message Tuesday morning at 8:45 a.m. from the business owner. But really, this message sent itself while the business owner was still making coffee. The lead opens it, maybe replies, maybe books, or maybe just sits with it until the next message lands a few days later. Here's what the message looked like. Hey, name, just checking in. Wanted to make sure you got the info we sent over. Happy to answer any questions, or if you'd rather just book a time, here's our calendar link. That's a real text. It's not poetry, it's not a hostage negotiation, just a simple follow-up. And once you load it into your client's HighLevel account, it sends itself for every new lead that comes into their business for the next 3 years, or 30 years, or forever. You set it up once, and it just runs. Okay, that's the rhythm. Let's move on to part 4. Bring back the tide. All right, full disclosure here. This is the one that almost nobody installs for clients, but it's also the most profitable one of all of the 4. Most local businesses treat leads like a one-shot thing. They come in, they say yes or no, and that's the end of the story. But here's what actually happens. Someone reaches out in, I don't know, say February. They're not ready. Maybe they're busy. Maybe the budget isn't there yet. Maybe they wanted to run it by their spouse first and that conversation just hasn't happened yet. And then they go quiet. 6 months later, in August, that same person is now ready. Their budget freed up, the pain got worse, their competitors started running ads, but they don't remember the business that they originally called because nobody followed up after April. The quiet close is what brings them back. This is the third high-level piece, a reactivation campaign that runs inside your client's account. Every 90 days, every old lead in their system gets a quiet check-in. Just one message, low pressure, something like this. Hey, name, still around if you ever want to revisit this. No pressure. Here's a quick win you can use in the meantime. Link. That message hits every old lead in their database, every quarter, automatically. And every quarter, a small percentage of them say yes, not because anybody chased them, because the tide came back. Now, here's where this gets really interesting. Each of these 4 parts works on its own. Even just one of them would be a real upgrade for a local business. Most owners would happily pay for any single piece. But here's where the math gets fun. Stick with me for a second here, because this part is genuinely surprising. Let's say each of the 4 parts lifts your client's conversion rate by 20%. Quick definition, a conversion rate is just the percentage of people who reach out to a business and end up actually buying something. So if 10 people call a plumber and one of them hires that plumber has a 10% conversion rate. Congratulations, you now understand conversion math better than 90% of the internet. So a 20% lift means that that rate goes up by 20%. So the plumber would close 1.2 customers out of every 10 leads instead of 1. That's a number that any business owner would take in a heartbeat. Okay. Now to show you the stacking math, we need a starting point. Most local service businesses without any system in place close about 1 out of every 10 leads they get. That's our baseline, 10%. That's what most local businesses actually look like before anyone helps them. The phone rings, the email comes in, the website form gets filled out, and out of every 10 of those, about 1 of them turns into a paying customer. The other 9 just slip through somewhere. So our starting point is a 10% conversion rate. Now watch what happens when you stack the 4 parts of the quiet close on top of that 10%. Build the shoreline, 12%. Catch the first wave, 14.4%. Set the rhythm, 17.3%, bring back the tide, 20.7%. Each piece only added a 20% lift, but here's the thing. When you stack them, they don't add together. They multiply. 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2 equals 2.07, which means the conversion rate didn't just go up by 80%, it more than doubled. Same leads coming in, twice the customers going out. And once you see this, most marketing advice online starts sounding a little unnecessarily complicated. Now let's put that in dollars, because that's the part that actually matters. Say your client is a local plumber. The average customer is worth $500 to them. They're getting 10 leads a month from their shoreline, 10 phone calls, form fills, or messages. Without a system, they close 1. That's $500 a month in new revenue. With the quiet close installed, that same plumber closes 2 out of the same 10 leads. That's $1,000 a month from the exact same lead flow. Doubled. So $500 becomes $1,000, $50,000 becomes $100,000, and $1 million becomes $2 million. And the 20% per piece number is the conservative version. In real installs, some of these parts lift conversions way more than that, but even at a careful 20% across the board, the math compounds into the business doubling. For the business owner, that's the entire pitch. They don't need more leads, they don't need to spend more on ads, they just need to stop losing the leads that they already paid to attract. Quick thing before we get into how this conversation actually goes down. The full version of the quiet close, the AI receptionist, the nurture sequences, reactivation campaign, all of them preloaded, all of that is sitting inside HighLevel as an Agency OS template that you can import in just one click. I've got a link in the description below this video that gets you access to an extended 30-day free trial that's way longer than the standard one, as well as my entire agency system and thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. You can grab it now and have the whole thing ready to install before your first client conversation. Okay, back to the conversation. Now here's the part that pays off the title of this video. When you reach out to a local business with a quiet close already built, you're not asking them to trust you. You're showing them the thing that's already running, and that changes the entire conversation. You're not sending quick question emails. You're not pitching them marketing services. You're walking in with one specific line. So here's what you say. Hey name, I noticed your business has X number of Google reviews and your closest competitor has Y. I help local businesses fix that without spending more on ads. Want me to show you what I'd set up for? Business name? That's it. One message, points at a real gap that their business has, offers a specific fix, and when they say yes, which they do more often than you'd think, here's what you send. Say this. Cool. Give me 48 hours and I'll come back to you with a 10-minute demo showing exactly what this would look like running for your business. No commitment. If you like it, we go from there. 2 messages in total. Total writing time about 90 seconds. And when they ask how much at the end of the demo, and most of them will, you just tell them. $4.97 a month, no contract. Comes out to about $16 a day. The first time the AI receptionist catches a missed call that turns into a customer, the month is paid for. And just like that, you went from sending 47 cold emails before lunch to having a conversation that pays for itself with simple math. Same way that the Tide does it. You don't go louder, you build something specific, and the right business owners come to you. Now, before you go install this for your first or next client, I've got 3 quick warnings for you. Warning 1, do not try to install all 4 parts on day 1. Just start with the shoreline. Get part 1 clean before you touch part 2. Most agencies want to skip ahead. The install gets messy and the client loses confidence before they even ever get to see the system working. That's not good. Warning 2, do not skip part 1 because it feels boring. The whole system depends on the shoreline. If your client's Google profile is empty and they've got no reviews, the Tide has nowhere to roll into. Boring work first, always. Warning 3, and this is important. Do not tweak the system forever instead of actually selling it. The first version that you install does not have to be perfect. It just has to run. You're going to improve it later once you have an actual client paying for you to maintain it. Perfect is not a strategy. Installed is a strategy. Perfect is usually just procrastination with better lighting. The rocks behind me are old, like really old. And they were carved by water. Not by the water hitting them, but just by the water showing up consistently. Twice a day for thousands of years. That's what a quiet close actually is. You're not breaking the rock. You're the Tide. So if you want to start installing this for your first or next client, here's the move. I've put together a fully built version of the Quiet Close inside HighLevel that you can plug into a client account today. The AI receptionist is already loaded in. The nurture sequences are already written. The reactivation campaigns are all ready to go. You don't have to build this stuff from scratch. You just import it, connect it to the client's business, and it runs. So if you want that, then tap or click the link in the description below to get access to the full system, along with my agency OS and the same automations and templates and workflows that I use to run my entire agency. And if you want to see how this whole business model works from start to finish, how to choose a niche, how to get clients, structure your offer, and actually close deals without sounding pushy, I also put together a full masterclass right here that's going to walk you through the entire process step by step. So feel free to tap or click that now. I'll see you in there in just a second.